In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Capcut subscription auto-renewal if you're paying for a plan and want to stop future charges. Turning off auto-renewal is the key. We'll walk through it together so you know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to confirm it's done. First, open your Capcut app. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, that the app is updated to the latest version. Updates can slightly change where options appear, so having the newest version helps everything match what you see here. Next, log in with your account. Use the same account you used when you started your subscription, so Capcut can pull up the correct plan details. If you have more than one login, double-check you're on the account that's currently billed. Once you're in, tap Me. This is your profile area, typically at the bottom right of the screen. It's where Capcut keeps your personal settings, assets, and subscription controls. Now tap Standard. This is the plan section associated with your current subscription tier. Opening it takes you to the area where you can see what you're subscribed to and manage your benefits. Then, tap Plans. Here you'll see details like your active plan, the renewal date, and billing status. Take a moment to note the next charge date so you know when the current period ends. Tap Cancel Subscription. You may see a brief explanation of what you'll lose when the current period ends. That's normal. Remember, canceling now prevents the next charge, but you'll typically keep access until the end of your paid cycle. Finally, tap Cancel Auto-Renewal. Confirm any prompts you see. After this, look for a status change indicating your plan will expire on a specific date rather than renew. It's a good idea to take a quick screenshot of the confirmation screen for your records. A few practical tips before we wrap up. Deleting the app doesn't cancel a subscription, so make sure you complete the steps inside your account. If the buttons look slightly different, it could be due to a regional interface or a recent update. The core idea remains the same: profile, plan area, cancel, then cancel auto-renewal. After canceling, keep an eye out for a confirmation message in-app or by email, and check that the renewal date now shows an expiration instead of a next charge. That's it. You've successfully turned off Capcut's auto-renewal and stopped future charges while keeping access until your current period ends.